What allows an aircraft to endure as a trusted asset across generations of service? The Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules answers that question every time it takes to the skies. From inserting troops into remote theaters, to moving critical supplies under pressure, and operating from runways that challenge other aircraft, the C-130J has demonstrated unmatched reliability in humanitarian relief, combat support, and evacuation missions. Why does it continue to anchor tactical airlift fleets worldwide while others phase out? Stay with us as we break down the 5 key reasons the C-130J remains indispensable where performance truly matters. If you're new here, welcome to Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond. Cargo operations are the backbone of tactical airlift, and the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules advances them through its automated cargo and airdrop management systems. Unlike earlier Hercules variants that depended heavily on manual coordination, the J model incorporates a digital load master station that continuously monitors cargo balance, weight distribution, and environmental conditions in real time. This modernization streamlines loading and unloading procedures, shortens turnaround time, and increases sortie rates during sustained operations. Short field performance further strengthens the C-130J Super Hercules logistical advantage. It requires approximately 5,850 feet or 1,783 meters for takeoff, and just 3,000 feet or 914 meters for landing, enabling operations from shorter runways where larger transports cannot function. In humanitarian missions, this allows direct delivery of aid into disaster zones, while in military contexts, it ensures forward bases in rugged terrain remain supplied. Enhanced computerized airdrop systems also refine release timing and accuracy, ensuring critical resources reach designated drop zones with precision. One of the most defining upgrades that separates the C-130J Super Hercules from earlier Hercules variants is its Doughty-R 391 6-bladed composite propellers. Previous models relied on 4-blade metal propellers that generated higher vibration levels, required heavier maintenance, and produced greater noise signatures. The 6-blade composite design reduces vibration, delivers smoother airflow across the wing, and significantly lowers the acoustic footprint, enhancing crew comfort while reducing detectability during sensitive operations. This enhancement directly improves mission capability rather than serving as a simple design update. The advanced propeller system produces greater thrust during takeoff and climb, enabling the C-130J Super Hercules to perform efficiently from short or unprepared airstrips. Reduced noise levels increase its effectiveness in night and low visibility operations where discretion is critical. At the same time, lower maintenance requirements improve aircraft availability, allowing operators to deploy this cargo plane more frequently, while keeping long-term sustainment demands under control. The Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce AE2100 D3 turboprop engines, each generating 4,700 horsepower or 3,500 kilowatts. This marks a significant performance increase over earlier Hercules variants that operated with lower output and fewer system refinements. With this added power, this plane reaches a maximum cruise speed of 355 knots or 657 kilometers per hour, allowing faster response to time-sensitive missions, where rapid deployment can directly influence operational outcomes. Beyond speed, the AE2100D3 engines extend the Super Hercules maximum range to 3,510 nautical miles, or 6,501 kilometers, reducing reliance on intermediate refueling during long-distance missions. That endurance becomes a strategic advantage, especially for remote or contested flights. Full Authority Digital Engine Controls, or FADEC, provide precise power management while lowering pilot workload, improving efficiency and situational awareness in demanding conditions such as high-altitude airfields. This integration of raw power and digital control enhances safety, fuel performance, and overall mission adaptability. Beyond crew efficiency, the C-130J Super Hercules cockpit significantly improves situational awareness and mission execution. Pilots receive real-time flight data, weather updates, and navigation inputs through multi-function displays that present information clearly and intuitively. This configuration enables faster decision-making in complex operational environments, while reducing cognitive workload during critical phases of flight. By eliminating outdated systems and integrating modern avionics, this aircraft aligns seamlessly with contemporary airspace management standards and coalition operations worldwide. The cockpit of the Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules represents a decisive evolution from earlier Hercules variants. The J model incorporates a modern glass cockpit with head-up displays, dual mission computers, and integrated GPS-based navigation, replacing the analog instrumentation of the C-130H. This digital architecture removes a requirement for a flight engineer and navigator, reducing the core flight crew to 2 pilots and 1 loadmaster. With fewer personnel required, operators benefit from lower training demands, streamlined crew coordination, and reduced long-term manpower costs. Before we look at the top spot, don't forget to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and leaving a comment down below. We appreciate reading your feedback so we can continue improving our content. We also have extra information for you in the description box, including other ways to support our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you don't have to hunt for our videos when you're in the mood for more aviation content. Technology alone does not define a legend. It is sustained performance in real-world operations that secures lasting credibility. The Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules has been adopted by more than 20 countries, with over 500 aircraft delivered worldwide. Its operational history spans combat deployments in Iraq and Afghanistan, humanitarian relief during major natural disasters, and specialized missions including maritime patrol and search and rescue. With an operational ceiling of 22,000 feet or 6,706 meters, this aircraft can operate above many ground-based threats while still transporting substantial payloads. The C-130J Super Hercules is engineered for durability, capable of landing on dirt strips, ice fields, and other unprepared runways where few transports can safely operate. This rugged adaptability has made it indispensable not only to the United States, but also to allied air forces across multiple continents. Governments continue to procure this plane because of its proven reliability, modern avionics architecture, and mission flexibility across diverse operational demands, with a current unit price of approximately $75.5 million US. The Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules has demonstrated why it remains indispensable to missions worldwide, from delivering critical supplies to sustaining frontline forces in demanding environments. The 5 reasons we cover represent only a fraction of a much broader legacy that continues to define tactical airlift. Which of these reasons do you believe makes this aircraft valuable in modern operations? And is there another capability you think deserves recognition? Share your perspective in the comments, and tell us what aircraft we should feature next. Until the next episode, fly safe